Today, I'm gonna try Mountain Dew's Star Spangled Splash, Liberty Chill, and Freedom Fusion. Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm coming at you from my car during lunch break on June 11th, 2024. And today I'm going to do a first taste video on the new Mountain Dew flavors for the 4th of July. Last year I think it was Liberty Brew? I can't remember, I'll have to look. Oh, instead of one flavor, like it has been since 2017, starting with Dew SA. God, I miss that flavor. We now have de trois. 3 new flavors. And when you put them in a row, they're supposed to represent the colors of our national flag. Oh, not that flag. Still no. Oh, no. Ah, yes, there we go. The flag of our national country, the United States. Based on the color order of our flag, which goes red, white, and blue, I'll go ahead and do that corresponding order with the dews. So in the case of the red, it's called Star Spangled Splash, which is dew with a blast of red berry flavor with other natural flavors. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's really cool looking. Smells like Hawaiian Punch. And it tastes pretty much like what Hawaiian Punch would taste like in soda form. It's actually pretty good. So that's going to get a 9 out of 10. Next up is the white one, which is called Mountain Dew Freedom Fusion. Looks like this. And according to the label, it's dew with a blast of lemonade and peach flavor with other natural flavors. Lemonade and peach, huh? Never tried that combination. Honestly, just the color itself gives me a bit of a throwback to when Mountain Dew still had whiteout. God, I haven't had that in years. It smells like the Mountain Dew Game Fuel lemonade from 2014, 10 years ago. That was really sour and tart. Golly. Not bad. Although, it almost has a bit of a similar aftertaste to Mountain Dew Game Fuel Mango Heat. A little bit, but unlike the case with Mango Heat, that doesn't burn your throat. So I'm going to give that a probably a 7 out of 10 or a 6.5. And the last color of our flag, blue. And in the case of the dew, it's called Liberty Chill. Now you gotta admit, this actually might be one of the coolest labels I've ever seen for a dew. Now it actually looks like the Statue of Liberty is actually riding a motorcycle, because you can see their crown and the torch that they hold in their hand. And according to the label, this is 50 flavors in one dew. 50 flavors? What 50 flavors? Well, let's give it a try. But right off the bat, the color itself looks like that of Voltage or Frostbite. Smells like Voltage. Question is, will it taste like Voltage? Let's see. It's good, but it's probably not my favorite on the list. Honestly, I think my favorite has to be the Star Spangled Splash. And the Liberty Chill is actually going to get a 7 out of 10. So, Thank you very much for watching, guys. Comment and subscribe, and happy early 4th of July. Peace out.